One day, a small kid went for swimming with his father. As they reached near a lake, this kid got busy watching the fishes. He loved to see the fishes swim. Fishes of different colors and shapes and sizes. He requested his father to help him catch one to take home as his pet. Of course, he had brought a glass jar with him to carry the fish home. His father managed to catch one, a beautiful golden one, and handed over the jar with fish in it. He was overjoyed. On reaching home, he showed the fish to his mother and shared how happy he was. His mother said, "My son, the fish will not be happy in the small jar with so little water. It will be happy with water all around." The kid ran out of his house with jar in his hands. He saw there was a lot of water in the fountain basin located in the middle of his garden. He gently placed the jar in the water with fish still inside. His mother was watching this. She smiled and asked her son, "Why did you put the jar with fish and water?" He replied, "You said the fish needs more water, and there is so much water in the fountain. Now it can see a lot of water." The mother replied, "My child, the fish is still trapped in the jar, even though there is so much water around." We need to set ourselves free to experience the oneness with the surrounding. We are like that fish trapped in the jar of ego. We need to set free to experience our oneness with the surrounding. Tell yourself, "I am a free soul. This is who I am." Sit comfortably with back straight. Gently close your eyes. Place your palms on your chest. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Observe your breath. Feel the stillness as you are completely with yourself, here and now. Feel being in the present moment and totally in oneness with your surrounding. Shed your ego, your identity, and allow the freedom to dawn. As you merge with the surroundings, there is no I, no you. Freedom comes when you unite with the creations of the same Creator who created all of us. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Feel each part of your body, each organ, each cell being energized with the air you breathe. Now allow yourself to be in complete sync with your environment. Soak in the air around you. Melt in the ground beneath you. Nothing divides you. Nothing separates you. You are in absolute harmony. Like the waves in ocean emerge and then merge with the ocean, you experience that oneness. You are like a reflection of the world around you, and the world is your reflection. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. With every exhalation, visualize yourself dissolving and merging with your surrounding. Allow the healing to begin. Gently open your eyes.